Well, Randy, first off, thank you for coming in here and talking with us, and thank you for making me look underdressed. You look sharp, probably as sharp as anyone as I've seen here in the last day and a half. So
thanks, Steve. I appreciate it.
I appreciate that, and basically, I've been seeing your crew over here talking, working with what they're trying to get your message out. So that's what prompted me to come over and meet you guys. Can you tell me a little bit? How's your show been?
The show's been great. This is really the first time that we've been here at NADA with a larger presence, and this is my 24th NADA, so I've been to a few, and so we've had a great opportunity to tell our story here, and we walked in here with over 100 appointments of dealers and service managers wanting to learn more about our software.
Well, that's great to hear. Over 100 appointments is outstanding. Now, have you had a lot of walk-in traffic as well?
We have, yeah. The show's been great, really busy. We've had probably more walk-in traffic than we've had appointments. And there was one point yesterday where our booth was so full, we had people doing demos on laptops, like off on the side of the booth.
I think I saw it when that was going. That was pretty crazy.
Yeah, but Las Vegas is always a great NADA.
Yes.
Dealers love to come here, and it's just a wonderful place to have a convention like this.
Well, I'll tell you, I'm sold on it. I think that this is the best place to do it for me. I've only been to one before, but this is a big difference. Tell us a little bit about your product and the trends you're seeing with that.
Sure. You know, used cars are in tight supply, and dealers want to sell more used cars always. They're a profitable part of the dealership's business. But with inventory in tight supply, those cars that you can acquire from auction or from trade-in, you have to get ready to be resold as quickly as possible. And so our platform helps dealers understand what needs to be done with the car with a diagnostic tool. Helps you manage the workflow of getting the reconditioning done in a very timely fashion. And also, for 25% of the work that gets done on a car to get it frontline ready, it happens with an outsourced sublet technician to do window repair, upholstery repair, wheel repair, paintless dent repair. A lot of that work is outsourced. And so we have another group of businesses in our Repair OnDemand division that sells software to 16,000 sublet technicians that use our software. So we can connect the dealership with that asset of these technicians looking to do more work, and they can get that work done faster, get that car frontline ready faster.
Have you seen that make a big impact for your stores?
Absolutely.
Outstanding.
Yeah, absolutely. And where it really has a significant impact are those larger dealer groups that have a centralized reconditioning center where they need a really robust software tool that helps them manage parts inventory, labor times, you know, a more robust system than just watching the work move through the shop.
Outstanding. Was there anything else you'd like to say or put out there while we're talking?
No, I mean, I think I love the automotive industry. I've been in the automotive industry for about 24 years now, selling software to dealers. And I'm really grateful to be a part of this.
Well, I can tell you love it by the smile on your face. I've been watching you all the whole show, and I've never seen you when you didn't look happy.
Yeah, we've got a lot of leads to follow up on today.
All right. Randy, thank you so much.
Thanks so much.
Appreciate it.
Take care.